Whether you're designing a logo, architecture, a chair, a painting, a sculpture, you will need a process. This process is usually referred to as the design process, and it has very specific stages. These stages will differ from artist to artist, designer to designer, but generally speaking, they fall into these four categories: research, generation of ideas, developing a concept, and refining a concept. When we begin with research, essentially what we're doing is trying to find material that can help us along the way. We're trying to find material that is inspirational, materials that are similar to what we are creating ourselves, and material that is useful to us, that we can refer to as we work on our design. In working with the Respectful Relations logo, of course, an R alphabetical character was required as a reference. The number 5 that is hidden amongst parallel lines served as inspiration for an idea, in which the R was treated like the number 5 of our research. After developing a number of ideas, one of those ideas was taken up and developed further as a concept. All the initial ideas were drawn in a visual diary or a sketchbook. Some of the development also happened in a sketchbook. However, this particular idea was developed a lot further in Adobe Illustrator. Having trialed a number of variations of this concept, it was time to start refining. A major constraint of this design was its purpose, to be a badge. Therefore, a circular format needed to be introduced. That particular circular format and its purpose as a badge had always constrained the development of this particular logo. A second concept was created, using the first as a springboard. Having developed and refined two concepts, it was time now to decide which one of the two was to be taken to the final stage of production. Having developed a set of criteria based on the brief, it would seem that concept A was the one most fitting to serve the purpose of the badge. Following the principles of good logo design, it's always best to go with a simpler design, not the more complex one. Though you will find logos on huge billboards, logos also have to work on a small scale. With logo design, usually less is more.